To create and apply custom about information on WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, open WhatsApp. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select setting. Next, tap your current profile, tap about, and then tap the pencil icon next to the currently set about information. Here you can type your own about information. If needed, you can add emoji by tapping emoji icon, and then select the desired emoji. Once done, tap save button to save the change. Now your custom about information has been applied. As a note, your about information will be displayed in your contact information and can be seen by those you allow. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.